The right one. I'm gonna do a 2, 3, 4, 5 relay. I'm gonna check this 2x2. I have I haven't ever made a script for these videos, and I probably won't make one. Nothing is planned out in these videos, and the only thing that is planned out in the videos is what I'm going to do in the video. And what I said just means I'm just gonna do. The only thing I'm planning is just playing the game or just cubing. Also, if you hear music, it's because I'm playing music. I do not like doing this in silence. I absolutely hate being in silence on my own. But I'm okay with it sometimes. I have some videos planned, but they're too long for you. That YouTube won't let me upload them because they're too long. I don't feel like putting my phone number in there. So unless I make a new channel, you're not gonna get a video longer than 15 minutes, which I don't like. I think I'm finally put conditioner on my hands. It's so dry. My hands are just so dry. Oh, dang. Finally, I got parody. Wait, why would I celebrate? It's a bad thing. Oh, come on, parody. So I could have just done my parody algorithm, and it would have solved it. I'm actually gonna get some new cubes soon, so I'm gonna make a video on that. That's the only thing I've planned, and I'm still not gonna write a script. How would I even use a script anyway? I don't have that time. In these videos, I do little, if any, editing at all. I just mainly just cut the file a bit and then just put it on YouTube. I can definitely put more effort into my videos. It's just uh, my mom will probably take away my computer if I did spend enough time. Because if she just comes downstairs and sees me doing a lot of stuff, and then she just hears my voice and on my computer. She's probably gonna take my computer away. Anyways, I'm almost done here. What? My ear. Poor ear. I can't hear from it well. And the time that it took me to solve 4 cubes, I couldn't even finish solving 1. Oh. Yes. That's my. I'm like third. That's 30 seconds faster than my 7x7 12. I can't prove that since I've never done it on this, only in person with some other people. Oh well, that'll be it for this video. I'll probably make another one tomorrow. See you tomorrow.